Confederacy had farms and fierce determination. Its railroads stretched across the
Legends of Learning presents The Civil War Stories Game. This is a U.S. history game that makes learning about the Civil War easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, you will help restore a museum's special artifacts by helping to find old items to restore the museum. Select the correct items and answer questions to learn more about the Civil War. Complete all the mini-games to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Enjoy playing.